Hello and welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbeloso, and I'm so happy that you're here. If it's your first time, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll know whenever I upload a new video, because that is every week. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Please also like this video, share it with your friends, do all those wonderful things because that really helps this channel. Now, this video is a follow-up from the last video, step 1 of investing for beginners in 2020. This is step 2. In that last video, I discussed the how and what of your investment plan. I also need to say that how often is something to take into consideration. As an investor, you have the option of investing as frequently as you want to. You can do it quarterly, you can do it monthly, even weekly. It's your show, so you get to direct it however you want. Most people invest on a monthly basis. That's something that I highly recommend. I highly recommend doing dollar cost averaging, and I've explained that in other videos. In today's video, we're going to talk about the second step of investing for beginners, and that is choosing what types of accounts you want to use to invest in. If you have a regular job or an employer that offers a 401k, I would suggest you start there. Go ahead and maximize your contributions. Max out your contributions means that you give the maximum amount allowable per year. What that's going to do is decrease your taxable income, and that is a good thing. If you don't have a 401k or you have money left over to invest, I would suggest that you get an IRA. And there are different choices. You can get a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. They're different. They have some similarities, but they also have some different stipulations. So you'll want to look into it and see which one would work better for your situation. I do know of some people that have both. Again, you want to maximize your contribution. If you are under 50 years old, that's $55,000. That's $5,500 for the year. If you are above 50 years old, that's $6,500 for the year that you can put into one of those accounts. So you definitely want to put in as much as you possibly can. Regardless of whether you choose a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, there are several brokerage firms that offer both. So you get to decide which brokerage firm you want to choose and decide which one of those you want to choose. But choose something. That's just my recommendation. You don't have to. Do you own your own business? There are several options that you can choose if you're self-employed or have a small business where you have employees. One such choice is the Simplified Employee Pension Plan, also known as the SEP IRA. Another option is the Solo 401k plan. There's the Defined Benefit Plan. There's also the Savings Incentive Match Plan for employees, also known as a simple IRA. So these are some of the options that you can choose from. So you can do some research and see which one would be best for your situation. I will cover some of these in future videos so that you could see in detail what they are. But feel free to leave in the comment section what you would like me to do a video on if any of these are interesting to you. Each of these have different features. So you'll want to choose the one that's really specific to your situation so that you're not choosing one that doesn't really work for you. Read all the information that you can before you sign up. I highly recommend that. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share it, do all those wonderful things, and come back for step 3. Remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.